Your iPhone is tracking you and listening, so you have to turn these options off. So, open up Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, tap onto it. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Microphone. Inside here, you will see every app that has required microphone access. Turn it off for any app that does not need it. Now head back to Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services, and then check each app and change location access to never or while using the app depending on what the app actually needs. For even more privacy, open up Tracking and then turn off Allow apps to request to track. This limits app from requesting permission to track your activity across other companies' apps and website. You can even check privacy and security, then tap on App Privacy Report, and then you have to see how apps are accessing permission and contacting network domain. And remember, seeing the orange microphone indicator does not automatically mean that your iPhone is secretly listening. It means an app is currently using your microphone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.